Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I would like to show you how to do a very simple smoky eye with red lipstick, and I will be using the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. Look at this. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell beside it so you can be notified of any upcoming videos. And yeah, so let's just not waste any more time and get started. So I've already have foundation on my face and primer. So I've used the NYX High Glass Face Primer and the COVERGIRL Clean Fresh Foundation. Looks very nice. It's very dewy, has a dewy finish, and for me it lasts all day long. I have dry skin, so I really love this. And I also use the Fit Me Maybelline primer and concealer. Sorry, concealer. I've used it on top of my eyes and underneath right here. So yeah, let's just tap this to make sure that there's no creases there, and let's go do our smoky eye. So I'll be going into this shade right here for the transition color right here. Okay, and now I'm going to go into this color right here. Okay, you see? I'm gonna put it inside my crease. Okay, now we're gonna go into the same color right here and go underneath our eyes. Okay, and now we're gonna go into the dark color right here on this side, and we're gonna go in the outer corner. Okay, and let's see, to work very gentle because they're very pigmented.
Take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Now we're gonna grab the same brush right here. Okay, this is by Elf, I believe. It doesn't have a name, but it's really pointy, you see? And go more a little bit underneath. We're gonna go into this deep brown color and go underneath here.
Staring at you, so I'm crazy. Watch you bend that back for me. We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride.
And now we're going to use our finger and we are going to dip into this shimmery color. You see? I'll show you how it looks. Look at that. Beautiful. And we're going to put it in the inner corner right here. Okay, now we're gonna grab this brush, MAC 239S. It's like this. And we are gonna dip in the same sparkly color. I'm gonna use in the inner corner and underneath the brow bone, okay?
Staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me?
I will be using my favorite collab mascara, Brown Black. I love this mascara. Tati recommended it and I am just in love with it. So we're gonna put this one on. Let me make sure that this is all blended. Let me put this mascara on and I will be right back. Okay, so my mascara is on, as you can see. Now, what we're gonna do is we are going to go into our MILANI bronzer in the shade of 02 Sunkissed, and let's bronze. I'm going to grab, it's this e.l.f. powder brush, but I use it for bronzing. So let's go ahead. I love the smell. It smells like coconut. It smells so good. Just want to eat it. Let's blend everything together. Okay, now I'm going to use, this is another one of my favorites. Let me find it though. It's the Physicians Formula powder. So we're just going to use a little bit of powder. And what I've learned is if you have dry skin, let's use this by e.l.f. It's a total face brush by e.l.f. If you have dry skin, you just swirl some powder in your brush and you go like this. You just go like this on your skin to get the powder inside your skin. You don't want to go like this or like this because if you have dry skin, it's going to look flaky. So that's what I've learned from someone on YouTube. I just don't remember who it was. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna go into the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the color Pink Rose, and we're gonna make our cheeks cheeky pink like this. You see it? Okay. A bit more. Perfect. Now we're gonna use the MILANI highlighter. This one right here. It's in the 03 Rose Glow. Another one of my favorites. And I'm going to use this Real Techniques brush, this cute one. It's called the setting brush. Let's see, it doesn't have a, oh yeah, it's 402, the number. And dip in here. I'm gonna go a little bit of highlight here, you see? Okay. Dip, dip. In here. There you go. Okay, and now, last but not least, is our red lips. This is a lipstick by QVEEN in the shade Monroe. I got this in one of my BoxyCharms. I think it came in my January BoxyCharm. So let's use some red lips with the smoky eyes. Okay. Look at this. Beautiful. Very nice color. I really love it. You only have to put a little bit and it stays a very long time on your lips, and it's kind of like a lip gloss slash lipstick. So yeah, this is my final look with the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette, and I think it turned out really good. Very simple, no false lashes required, no eyeliner required, just very simple dark brown, some light in the middle, in the corner of your eyes, and a little bit of lipstick, and lipstick on my teeth, all gone now. And yeah, so if you like this look, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you like this video as well, and if you like to comment down below how you think that the look turned. If you really enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it. And please stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell beside it so you can be notified of my upcoming videos. And thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys, and yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.